What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this special episode, we are doing a double mystery package unboxing for Sneakerheads. Let's go! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we have a ton of giveaways ongoing. We're giving away like 5 Vans sneakers, 4 of them of which are collaboration sneakers. So they're special, they're expensive, they're rare. All you guys have to do to join is number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, hit the notification bell. Number 3, follow me on Instagram. Number 4, click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Manila Sneaker Expo is this Sunday, which is probably one of the biggest sneaker hype beast events every year here in the Philippines. And I have these 2 packages with me which are really meant for the event this Sunday. So we will unbox this package first, which is a sneaker, and then we will follow it up with this package, which I have a strong feeling will be a shirt and maybe some pants. So let's get started. As with all of my other unboxings, we need our off-white toolkit because this has the X-Acto knife which we use to cut through the tape that are found in the boxes. So here we have it. This is the first package. This one, guys, actually came all the way from the United States because this is a US exclusive sneaker. So that's already a tip as to what this sneaker actually is. So you won't be able to find this in the Philippines, at least the official release. So you would be only actually able to buy this for retail if you were in the US when it officially came out. So there you have it. Guys, this is the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Clay. I just want to give a quick shout out to Christian Dimitrius. I hope I pronounced your name properly, man. He was the guy I actually traded with for this pair. I sent him over a pair of the 350 V2 Clays, which were a Philippine or Asia exclusive, and in return, he sent this particular sneaker over. So as you guys can see, it is your typical 350 carton Yeezy box, and I just want to get over with this one already. So because I'm really excited to see the shoe for the first time with my own eyes. So, and here you guys have it. This is the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Clay. This is the America exclusive, and OMG, it looks just as I imagined it to be. I love the hits of brown and orange and of course in clay. I love how the transparent strip along the side of the sneaker gives it a bit more of, you know, like, well, play, because you can level it up with your sock game and stuff like that. And I absolutely am loving the bright orange pull tab that you guys have here because it definitely gives it some more pop and some more character. So this one, I'm actually thinking of wearing this one to the Manila Sneaker Expo this coming Sunday. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you if this should be the sneaker of the day for MSE 8. At least for me. So again, that's the first unboxing. This is the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Clay. I will be doing a full on-feet review, so watch out for that when it drops on the channel soon. Next up, we have a care package from our good friends from Above the Ankle. I know you guys keep asking again and again and again on Instagram and in the comment section every time I do on-feet sneaker videos, Carlo, where do you get your pants? Carlo, where do you get those pants with zippers? Carlo, where do you get those pants with drawstrings? Carlo, where do you get those pants? ID on the pants, etc., etc. The company is Above the Ankle, and you can actually find them on Instagram at Above the Ankle, and they sent a care package specifically for the upcoming Manila Sneaker Expo. So again, cha-ching, we have our off-white Nike X-Acto knife, and we will be taking a look as to what's inside this box. So Rab from Above the Ankle, bro, maraming salamat. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate the partnership, man. And I am excited to see what you have for me. So first up, we see the Above the Ankle logo at the top of the box. This is, well, usually the package that their products come in. And the first thing that we see in the mystery package are the Secret Fresh collab with Islander Slippers. Islander, of course, is a local Filipino company. And man, oh man, they are really on point with the color. This one is in the Vault colorway. But if you take a look at the slippers, it actually says here, Luntian. So big shout out to DJ Big Boy Cheng, anti-shoe expert, Secret Fresh Gallery. You guys rock. Thank you for supporting local artists and, you know, the local streetwear and sneaker scene. So again, first up, we have the Islander Secret Fresh Slippers, the collaboration in the Luntian or Vault colorway. Next, we have, oh, boom! So this is what Rab has been telling me for the longest time, guys. This is his new body bag. So as you guys can see, it is transparent, so you can put whatever it is that you want to put here. You have the above the ankle logo over here, and you have a really nice belt. It looks like some sort of like seat belt mechanism. So you do what you do is you're supposed to put this over your head, and it is a body bag that hangs over here. So you can put your wallet, you can put your smartphone, but again, it is transparent, so warnings, especially if you're walking out in Manila in evenings. But yeah, if you're just indoor and you know you are hyping it up, this is probably one of the best products that you guys can wear. So again, above the ankle body bag, transparent version. Guys, check him out. Check out his Instagram. It should be there. Next, and this is actually a very special shirt that I wanted to share with you guys because, yep, this is it. This is the limited edition shirt that I co-designed together with Above the Ankle and my best friend Colin Chan, who runs the channel Hype Geeks. And this only has, I think, like 150 to 100 shirts, 50 of which have been pre-ordered already, and the next 50 can be available over at the Manila Sneaker Expo 8 this coming Sunday. So this is a limited run. We won't be reprinting it anymore, and this is the shirt that I'll actually be wearing during the day itself. So it is a black shirt made of quality, you know, well, cloth material. And what's special about this is, number one, you have this Ikigai logo over here. So Ikigai, of course, basically means the reason why you wake up in the morning. So this one is a play as well on my initials. So it is CO. And you take a look at the back. This is where it becomes really nice. It says there, cop, wear, beat, repeat. And this is actually made out of reflective material. So if it's hit with flash, it actually glows. So again, this shirt, you can actually pre-order it over at Above the Ankle Instagram account. Just check them out, send them a DM, and then let them know that you want to get one. You can either buy it or get it from the actual event this Sunday, or you can have them ship it over to you. Now, we still have like a few more stuff that I'll go over. So this is the Above the Ankle body bag or chest bag. So it is in black. So you do have like multiple straps at the back to be able to connect it. So you can either wear it like this or wear it as a side bag or wear it as a messenger. So it is a multi-purpose, multifunctional bag. We also have like this really nice shorts in some sort of like aqua blue, which is perfect for the summer. Again, excellent quality from the guys over at Above the Ankle. We also have their famous black and white striped Z pants. So this is the one with like, what do you call this? The zipper at the very end so that it tapers down to show off the sneakers that you guys are wearing. It also has like that white strip along the side, which gives it a little more personality. And they also have like a black and red version. So the stripe along the side is red, again, making it look really kick-ass, especially if you have like the kicks or the sneakers to go with the design and the motif. They also have like the V2 of their body bag or their chest bag, which you can find here. Now again, guys, all of the items in this package you can actually buy from their Instagram account. Just check them out. Above the Ankle, link to their IG account can be found down below as well. So that's actually our Sneakerhead mystery package unboxing for today. I unboxed the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Clays, which came from the US, and we unboxed the Above the Ankle Care Package, which we received, of course, from Above the Ankle. Guys, I hope to see you this Sunday at Manila Sneaker Expo 8. I will be hanging out at the booth of Above the Ankle. I'll be there for most of the time. So if ever you are in the event, you are in the area, and you just wanna, you know, chat, you wanna get to know each other, you wanna take some pictures, you wanna exchange stories, I'd be more than happy to spend time talking to you guys. Because come on, I've been talking to a camera for like the last 14 months, and it would be really nice to be able to meet real people, especially to the people who comment a lot and I've known online for the longest time now, like Supremo, Scheider, you know, like Joshua, and a bunch of the other guys who usually comment down below. I would love to meet with you at the event if ever you guys find yourselves there. Again, look me up over at the Above the Ankle booth. And lastly, I'm definitely excited to be at the event because of two more reasons. Number one, Seth Fowler is coming to Manila. Of course, Seth Fowler is one of the people who inspired me to actually start this channel in the first place. I'd love to meet Seth. I'd love to see him there, and I'm sure you guys too. And lastly, this is the first time that I actually get to see DJ Big Boy Cheng play. So, I mean, he is a DJ, guys. So this is the first time I actually get to see him on deck and, you know, hit some tracks and stuff like that. So I'm definitely super excited to go to the Manila Sneaker Expo 8 this coming Sunday, and I'd love to see all of you there. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.